Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 3. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 3s squared ds dv. We have e to the power of s over 2 ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to number 2 e to the power of s over 2. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have number 6, and we have the integration s squared e to the power of s over 2 ds. So we continue using integration by parts again, but this time that's about s to the power of 2. This one we have 2s. So about this one, we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have number 4, and we have the integration s e to the power of s over 2 ds. Now we continue using about integration by parts again. This one we change by s. This one we have the s. About this one we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have number 2, and we have the integration e to the power of s over 2 ds. So the integration of this one, we have 2e to the power of s over 2, and then I will put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.